Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, November 2nd, 2008 am. Well, it is grace that makes these messages exist, but it is your energy that permits you to get them. These contacts are appreciated on both sides. To be able to express ourselves like this is not common. These teachings are special. By this means, it is possible to come up to you like a father would do with his children. We would like that it is seen like that. We care about helping humans. They need it. There are many ways for that, but this one is special. We give you elements of reflection and you can use them at your convenience. It is you who hold the reins of your own life. It is exactly what you would want it to be. Not many humans would answer yes. According to their criteria, they would prefer it different, and yet it complies with necessity. This aspect of things must never be lost sight of. You advance according to a predetermined plan that can be modified through your spiritual commitment. By making it evolve in this way, your perseverance changes the picture. You never waste your time when it is dedicated to working on yourselves. It transforms you very deeply without your being able to value its true richness. Babuji. Same day at 10 am. Time required by your spiritual practice is precious. That time you could never regret because it constitutes a sort of wealth that doesn't deteriorate. You reach a level of evolution where this activity is indispensable. Every day must provide you with that part of joy that counterbalances what otherwise can cast a shadow over it. You must face multiple hassles that oblige you to react. Without them, you would lose your combative reflexes. So, your senses are thrilled and you are ready to face up to things at any time. It is an aspect which you didn't think of. Meditation's aim is to calm this unceasing game and let you get your own strength back. This oasis is there within your reach, accessible at any time. You have this advantage over your fellow human beings in that they cannot have recourse to it. Make the most of it and realize how lucky you are to have reached this point. You find in yourself solace, balance, and the strengths that allow you to advance in a positive way. You don't suffer life anymore. At this dimension that you manage to give it actively shapes you in the best way. Be happy and thankful to be able to reach this shore. There is every hope of success. Babuji.